guarantee you that technician, he's going to open that hood and go, ah, one of those owners. Hey, Mark Greene from Cars Yeah. I'm here for Covercraft. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about your engine. Not working on your engine, none of the mechanical things. We're going to talk about keeping your engine clean and why it's important. This car is 15 years old. It's a 2005 BMW M3. Looks pretty good right now, but if I was going to take this in to have it serviced, I would want to clean it up a little bit more, and there's a reason why. If you take your car in for service and the engine bay is clean, I guarantee you that technician, he's going to take extra special care of your car. Another reason to keep it clean is you can spot things before they become major things, meaning small leaks, cracks in hoses, things like that. Little things that don't show up until they become big things and they cause big problems. What I like to do is I always start with the inside of the hood. The reason for that is gravity, of course. So I take a good degreaser, pick a degreaser that you like, go out, maybe talk to mechanics what they use. You don't want to use anything really harsh because it's going to get on the paint. So you want something that is safe for paint. Also, if you're going to detail your whole car, don't do the outside before you do the engine compartment because you're going to splatter some stuff around and make a mess. So start with this if you're into one of your therapy days with car care. Clean the inside of the hood, spray it with a good degreaser. Take a very soft bristle brush. Now when I say soft, it needs to be super soft. You don't want to use anything like coarse plastic brushes because you will scratch the inside surface. Clean and suds everything really, really well and then spray it off with a hose. If you have a pressure washer, you can use that, but be very careful with the pressure settings. You don't want to spray a pressure washer directly into some of the delicate areas of an engine. But this part of the engine, you could spray it down real well. Then once you get all this clean, everything's dripping down, then you want to spray the engine area. Now, you want to be a little careful, especially with older cars. You want to protect the electronic areas, maybe an older car like this old car behind me that's under a form-fit cover from Covercraft, my old Porsche. Cover it with a plastic bag, maybe put a rubber band around it. You can use cellophane. If there's fittings and things that you're just not so sure about, put some plastic over those to protect them. Then you want to spray the whole engine down with your degreaser. Again, go back with your sponge or your brush, agitate, clean all the surfaces. I kind of work from the back to the front. You might have to respray it. You want to keep it moist all the time with that degreaser. Once you've sudsed everything down really well, spray it off. Now again, when you're spraying with water or a pressure washer, be very careful. You don't want to use a super strong stream, but enough just to rinse all that soap off so that it goes down through the engine bay. Then you're done, except you need to dry it. Again, you can use compressed air, air blower, leaf blower, whatever you like to use. Dry it all off, take a towel, wipe it down. Again, start from the top, work down. I would advise during this entire process you have some rubber gloves on because you're going to get some of the oil and grease and the gunk that gets in an engine bay. You don't want to get it on your skin. It's not good for your skin. It goes through your skin, gets in your system, bad stuff. So get yourself some gloves. Also, put some eye protection on because when you start spraying and because of gravity, it's going to mist down. You might even want to put a respirator on your face just to protect from breathing in some of those chemicals and things. Be healthy, take care of yourself. So when you take your car in for a service, blow that technician away. He'll take extra care of you. Anyway, check out Covercraft.com. This is Mark Greene from Cars Yeah, coming to you for Covercraft. They've got you covered. I'll see you at the next video.